Today I'd like to show you how to make your own hand-cut stamp. For this I bought the Renoir Easy Carve A5 carving block at Spotlight. The regular price is $17. First off, I start by opening my Procreate on my iPad. I then press the spanner and in Canvas toggle on Drawing Guide. I then click Symmetry down at the bottom, which allows me to draw symmetrically. Next I want to add my reference photo. I click the spanner button again. I switch from Canvas to the Add button and then I choose my photo. This turtle isn't symmetrical like I'd like, so I start by lining up the shell on the symmetrical line. I then open up another layer and choose a pen that I would like to trace around the shell with. I'm using the colour black to trace, but you might find it easier to use a brighter colour so that you can see where you've already been. I also then need to turn on my drawing guide for symmetrical drawing on this layer. I do this by clicking on the layer and toggling on Drawing Assist. To delete anything, I simply tap 2 fingers on the screen, and to toggle on and off symmetrical drawing, I simply tap on the layer and toggle it on or off. To see what I've traced at any time, I can hide the reference photo layer by clicking this box. I then want to position the front flipper where I want it. I do this by clicking on the photo layer, reposition it, then go back to my tracing layer. I then zoom in and trace around it. As this layer is on a symmetrical layer, it draws both flippers at the same time. I repeat this process with the back flippers and add the tail. I then position my head as centrally as I can and trace around it. Here's the design ready for tracing. I now want to lock my iPad screen so that it doesn't move while I'm tracing it. I go into my iPad settings and I press Accessibility. From here, I scroll down to Guided Access. I make sure it's toggled on, and I also make sure Accessibility shortcut is also on. Back in the accessibility menu, I scroll down to touch, go in and make sure that assistive touch is set to off. Back in Procreate, I then click the iPad on/off button 3 times quickly. This then brings up my accessibility shortcuts. I press guided access and pop in my pin which I set previously. I then press the options button in the bottom left corner of the screen and turn everything off, and then press resume. This has now locked my screen. Triple click the top button to exit at any time. I then take some baking paper, I tape it to the screen and trace around it. To transfer it to the carving block is easy. Simply tape it down with the trace side facing the block and use your pencil to draw over the entire drawing. When you peel it off, the pressure will have transferred your design, and now it's all ready for carving. I use wood carving tools to hand cut my design. Anything you remove will be white. Anything you leave will be stamped with ink. Take your time and go slow. I start by going around the outside. Once you have the detail all finished, you can then carve away the outside to allow just your stamp to be stamped. Once you feel finished, you can test out your stamp and make any changes. To test your stamp, any inking pad should do. You can stamp in any colours and use it for cards or artwork, and even gold leaf it, which I'll show you in another video. Look how cute it is. And now I get to show you my real inspiration. We were so lucky to witness these beautiful babies taking their first steps in the world. This is a video I took on a remote island called Lady Musgrave. These babies' pure beauty, courage and wholesomeness almost brought me to tears. They came out of the nest and went straight out into the ocean. Being able to witness things like this is one of the best things about living on a boat. Thanks so much for watching and happy crafting. I hope that I've inspired you to make your own stamp.